This is Mark Bebar of the International Hydrofoil Society. I'd like to welcome you to session 10. I'll be providing an overview of the IHS Mandles Prize for Hydrofoil Excellence, and I'm pleased to support this. I'm Vice President of IHS, and we'll be entering the 8th year of this competition, as I'll explain further. This is the outline of the presentation. I'll move through this pretty quickly and then introduce the next two presentations, which are two of the first prize winners from a few years back. By background, IHS has been really fortunate to have support from Mr. Martin Mandles and his wife Connie, and they've been providing up to $4,500 a year in achievement awards since 2014. So we're entering our 8th year in 2021. Our announcement for the 2021 competition has been posted on the IHS website, and it includes a $2,500 first prize and then up to two $1,000 honorable mention awards. It's a great opportunity for the next generation of hydrofoil developers, showing how the state-of-the-art can be advanced in hydrofoils and hydrofoil-assisted craft, and also a good opportunity for students to increase their visibility in the technical community. This is a biography of Mr. Mandles. I won't repeat all the details here, but you can see from the first bullet he likes going fast on the water. He worked for Boeing, was a co-pilot of a hydrofoil research hydroplane, served in Vietnam, and was the first skipper of the PGH-2 USS Tucumcari, which was discussed in a prior presentation during this 50th anniversary event. After the military service, he had a 37-year career with ABM Industries. He's quite an adventurer. He's traveled to Russia, traveled on a Soviet nuclear-powered icebreaker, and he and his wife, Connie, live in Los Angeles. The philosophy for the competition is shown on this slide. We're obviously interested in promoting hydrofoil technology, making students aware of and more schooled in high-speed ships and craft, hoping to stimulate interest and foster scientific and public interest in hydrofoils. And as I indicated earlier, it's a great opportunity to recognize students for their achievements. These are the general requirements from the rules. A lot of detail here. I won't read all of them. The entries can come from individual students or teams of up to 7, and schools can submit more than one. That's happened at least in one prior year. Faculty advisors and mentors can assist the students, provide guidance. And what we've been doing is, in any given year, we go back as far as 5 years so that we can pick up entries from those students who have made a completed work earlier but who want to compete in the competition. Quite often these submittals are based on work done for either undergraduate or graduate thesis, so it doesn't always entail an additional burden on the students. They can capitalize on work they've already done. Students are not required to be members of IHS, but every student and advisor that has participated have become full members. And I mentioned the awards previously. The dates for 2021 are shown on this slide. They're pretty generous. There's an application form in the rules. It's a one-page application. Those are due by May 1st. The actual submittal of reports by June 30th of next year. And we will announce the awards no later than August 31st and present the awards no later than 30 September of next year. The rules have a breakdown, factors for judging, and these are broken down in more detail in the rules, but technical content dominates 65 points. The quality of documentation, 15, and other factors are 20. And of course, the subject has to be using hydrofoils to basically provide a substantial amount of lift. The rules are posted on the IHS website. This is the URL. The next two slides summarize all the first prize winners from 2014 and on, and I won't read these to you, but you can see we've had an international participation in the Mandles Prize, and of course not everybody wins, and so the list of schools that have had submitted entries in the past is quite lengthy. In the interest of time, I haven't included all that here, but suffice to say we've had great interest in the Mandles Prize ever since its inception. And these are the first prize winners for 2018, 19, and 20. And with that, I'll provide an intro. The next two presentations will be by some of the students who were involved in first prize for 2016, fluid structure interaction analysis of vertical lift producing dagger boards. This is by Casey Brown and Cody Stansky, who attended Webb Institute up in New York, and their advisor is Dr. Onas. And the presentation after them will be the first prize winner from 2017, an experimentally validated dynamical model of a single track hydrofoil boat by Johan Schonbaum and Giesbert van Marwijk. They attended Technical University of Delft in the Netherlands, and their advisor was Professor Schwab. A little bit about me, and that concludes the presentation.